Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we will talk about the Big Bang Theory. The Big Bang is not as simple as a ball exploded and the universe was created. The Big Bang is a lot more complex. First, there was a void. By definition, a void is nothing. No space, nothing. There was a void, and then a small ball appears in the void. And then it explodes. Or should I say, it expands. Now, it looks like it explodes due to the fact that its expansion rate was faster than the speed of light. Now you might be thinking, wait, back it up. How's this possible? I thought nothing can go faster than the speed of light. Well, actually, no. That's not the law. The law is nothing can go faster than the speed of light inside the universe. Okay, that makes more sense. We're talking about the universe, so the universe expanded faster than the speed of light. It went from smaller than an atom to the size of a baseball in less than a second. That might not seem like much, but let's put it into perspective. That's like a grain of sand turning into the size of the universe. Yeah, it's a lot. Then, when it expands, it's infinitely hot and infinitely dense. And it cools down at a very, very rapid rate. It goes from infinite Kelvin, and I mean infinite, unmeasurable, to a fairly measurable amount. Trillions, quintillions of Kelvin. Yeah, very hot. And then, that's when matter finally starts to form. At that point, in the beginning, there's nothing can exist, it's too hot. It's just too hot. When it starts to cool down, quarks start forming, quarks and bosons. It's just a soup now, a soup of quarks and bosons. Then those quarks and bosons eventually combine to become protons, electrons, and neutrons. Those combine into atoms, and so on and so forth. Eventually, we find galaxies, stars, etc. And all of this started from one tiny explosion. Of course, this took billions of years, allowing enough time for some stars, the huge ones, to die out. Once they died in their supernovas, they gave remnants of other elements. Those elements are stuff like iron, nickel, neon, oxygen, necessary for life, carbon, also necessary for life, and a lot more. Eventually, a large amount of that material finds its way to Earth. A little rock, blank rock at the time, circling a massive star. Eventually, life starts sprouting, and then a few billion years later, humans arrive. And here we are now, in our technological era. That's it for today. I'll see you next time.